If you own a Garmin Forerunner 205 or 305, you know how essential it is to keep your watch charged and ready. Losing the original charging cradle can feel like a setback, but this replacement cradle is a simple, affordable solution that gets you back on track fast. This charging cradle works with both AC adapters and USB ports, giving you flexible power options wherever you are. While the AC and USB cables aren't included, if you already have them, setting it up is as easy as plugging in and powering up. No fuss, no extra purchases needed. Beyond charging, your Forerunner tracks a wealth of training data: time, pace, distance, lap details, elevation, calories burned, and more. You can customize which workout stats appear on your screen, tailoring your training experience to exactly what matters most. One standout feature is the lap history. The watch automatically records up to 1,000 laps, storing nearly 2 years of workout data. When connected to your PC through the included software, downloading and reviewing your progress is effortless, helping you stay motivated and informed. The watch itself offers practical extras like dual time zones, date, and alarm functions, making it a versatile companion beyond just training. Plus, the Forerunner 405 model syncs wirelessly with your computer within about 3 meters, automatically sending and receiving workout data to keep everything up to date. Users from the United States have praised this replacement charging cradle for its reliability and value. One runner shared how losing the original charger felt like a major hassle, until they found this affordable alternative. With their existing cables, it worked perfectly right away, saving them from buying a whole new watch. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to power your Garmin Forerunner 205 or 305, this replacement charging cradle is worth a look. It's a straightforward fix that keeps your training uninterrupted and your data secure. Ready to keep your Garmin Forerunner charged and ready for every run? This replacement cradle offers dependable power and seamless data syncing without the cost of a new device. Try it when you're ready to simplify your training routine.